And the question is, how do you calculate the length of time it takes to copy the entire human nucleotides? I'm going to use Drosophilia melanogaster as an example, fruit flies. So when you set the problem up, we want to always write down what we know about the problem first, and then what is it that we want to know. Well, what do we know? Well, for fruit flies, Drosophilia melanogaster, they have a total of 1,995 nucleotides. The process of DNA replication is going to copy 50 nucleotides per second. So that is what we know. Now, what do we want to know? We want to know how long, amount of time in days to copy the fruit fly's genome. That's what we want to know. So to solve this problem, we're going to have to set our problems up. So we're going to have t is going to equal, when we know we have 1,995 nucleotides. So that's one of the variables that we have. We know it's going to be copied at 50 nucleotides per second. So we want to make sure the 50 nucleotides per second is in the denominator. So 1,995 is going to be divided by 50 nucleotides per second. Nucleotides will cancel out, of course, and end up with 1,995 divided by 50, which comes out to 40 seconds. But again, we want the length of time in days, not in seconds. So we have to do a conversion factor. So wait, we want to answer the question in days, so we have to convert seconds to days. Because my answer is per day, I want to make sure the days in the denominator, not in the numerator. So I have 24 hours per day. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So I'm going to multiply the 24 times 60 minutes per hour. The hours will cancel out. Then I have 60 seconds per minute. Again, I multiply that by my factor, and my seconds cancel out. I end up with the answer just in terms of days. So what do I have as my answer, final answer? Well, remember I have 24 hours within a day. There are 60 days within an hour, 60 minutes within an hour, and 60 seconds within a day. So that is 86,400 seconds within one day. Now, I just need to go to my problem here and just solve the calculation. So I'm going to take that problem and multiply it. So remember I have 86,400 seconds in a day. So I want to convert my seconds to the day, so I will then take my answer, which is, and I have this many seconds per day, so it's going to be 40 divided by 86,400. That will cancel out my seconds. That will give me the amount of time per day that a day that has. And there goes the answer. So hopefully this has helped solve your problem.